ba beton kapa me joso
na bibia wa ko de
anu chasi bibia wa ko
yere yanko pass in fact me team nu anka na ache na e confirm assembly oba abru se emfanto hu nipa so odu hu tu nipa so badu hamo
but benu sunso ayemia
me kafi babu do ubube
so yesi baby adipa mienu ne miensa hia no na je se nyankopon e wo ho nyame tumi ni sunsun e wo ho
okay
tie bia eni so na wo hu me ba ho hu mu de me no na mbe bia ai
mate ni
kaise everywhere me share when is one yedin komo kama
komo de na ache na akọ bi ho
yentam tia still no ye ho mu edin komo edin ta so bebre
mate bra kuma se fo nya ache awo
ai me ba kuma se ache me jese bia na wotwe da ye ni me ba ho
enshebo me sro enshebo
muso me hwe mangase me ba
mate enya certain mate
enya certain ai
woni akoto de mo sha ba me mo ntadi su ntia me fa mo sha nya asem
ono ye kwame me ye kufi zuzu
mate wadi aja efran no anyumre na ba na na ehunu the four chosen men the anointed men ya eja empanifo susu say World Cup playoff against the Super Eagles no omo ana ebetimi de yakọ say menya far from writer edin ya ba ye no your penye friend say Chris Houghton ya na oye technical advisor afa ye hu edin say Otto Addo ye hu Masoud Didi Dramani and ye say hu George Boateng say emfunso bia nim the chosen men omo anie.
Well, that is the position and the decision of the Executive Council, and of course, endorsed by the ministry. Once if you know take a decision, na sabi when you biya ne, what team wakami biya ma na ministry no so a day or more soon any or more than attached in there. Majime di say ne konsoano.
Obaka say e na go into it because e koba say na names wey official no bo na dibia ba exclusive e bi so yankofa we e din bebrebe ne pie ye what want to eat e na koba ya empanifo decide say these four men and e betimi dia continue say aduma we no yamfa nso o nsa.
Well, I think we've been consistent in our communication. Executive Council not feels there is a need to get team. First of all, Obia or team know that, and that is why Otto Addo came into the picture. After FA President Asia Chris Houghton, Omane Ehun say the position of the ESCO is to put an interim team together. If there was any roller or which a player, they would make it known to him. Take decisions. Okay, well, it will be good for Chris to come on board and provide some sort of guidance and direction to the team. Otto, okay. Once I express interest, well, sure, no, in two separate meetings with the president and the vice president. Anyway, no more misano if sa opportunity no abano na ni beji ho ana say obepese obeyana
bramba to ka fa ma me Chris Houghton na approaching penifo say onyadma no obeye.
No, I mean Chris reached out to the president and met him and spoke to him. He also met the vice president when the president was in Germany. Inti onwa ena a president say opeso shiano. Let me say ada on the president here, that was the day Anna President Eko Germany.
Okay.
Any Dortmund for no, I couldn't come on. In between times also assigning vice president Ramak Ado Ishia. Their position has always been clear. Say in CC and the decision is obey appointed an interim technical team or a supervisor in Nigeria match. Nafi and no power. All the factors and some look at a mid-term and long-term direction for the team. In the Koban Sano, almost communicating man say no my dream now dream saying or requesting some man America cry, and later he got back to them to say he's ready and willing to come on board. Omni George Boateng Zudin Komo, we needed to seek clearance from the club, Aston Villa. Omni Masudi Dramani Dinkomo, we needed to seek clearance from the club, a year rise to dream, and then Norgeland. Indeed, we know so within the last few days, eventually, and take decisions, Sabri, this is what we are sticking to. Now, Afi, Yabo Nigeria match in area, now getting somebody to take over permanently for a long run.
Kasana also when you be a onim team no and now we're closer to the team. Meaning say if obi ma na oben team and na onim team say maso kono do an in surprisingly I don't know my man score basa.
No,
because most one say you're closer to the team.
The issue is that there are other people who have also said coaches Biso or only closer to the team. Yes, and it's a fact. You cannot say that Nipa Naya or Mudinya Piabonti were the only coaches you consider almost for the job. But you will be Nipa be express interest. But at that, Obey Wadrin said, "Oh, the ma Kwesi, and I the ma Kwame no. Omo ben Jumano Nina, only Dean and Common Deans are also be nobody matters anymore." What I say, there were a lot of considerations, there were a lot of discussions, a lot of the up happening for a toso into a discussion here, take a critical look at all of them. But eventually, these four and for
the four chosen men,
and that is what they believe is the right thing at this particular moment.
And therefore, we Ash 101.1 FM. Shown you live over Facebook. And also Ash 101.1 FM. Abawa Radio, United Kingdom, Asante Radio, United Kingdom. You know the hard-working communications director at the Ghana Football Association, Mr. Hart, Henry Asante Twum, and Edin Komo and Area Super Sports. And so, in reference to Area Ottowado, most Ghanaians, Domo can say experience Ben Wawa, Oko Dortmund, where scout. Nanya Ottowado ya ne beko Cameroon. Ye ka so meboa o man tiase. Ade na fe de group brumu no Ottowado kro ye ana mpanimfo akofo no. Oba ho no wutre mu sei.
Well, I'm saying the Koba say I was auto buying into the picture because of her Nipaya Omudio and Krata so I dear Babontia. Otto for me knows the team better than all of them in terms of working relations. What I say, Otto was around Abrayabo, Zimbabwe, Cape Coast. Otto was around Abrayabo, Zimbabwe, Harare. Otto was around Abrayabo, Ethiopia, South Africa. Again, he was around Abrayabo, South Africa, Cape Coast. We are not seeing China, none of the other people. And I get the opportunity to be closer to the team in recent times, even though on their own they have experiences elsewhere. That is why it is a good compliment, and that is why I am happy about the fact to say, "Omubenya sa akwano aye ejuma together." Obi adene about obi ma technical advice, no be ma direction, no be ma information on the opponent. Obi adene de kakankakareba. Now all their boom, collectively. They will be able to come up with something that will be beneficial and useful to all of us.
Now, because a Captain Planet, let the powers combine.
Yeah. I mean, that is how football has become. Yes, on the touchline, I will take responsibility or take decisions, But Obia contribution, Emata, Obia contribution, Eba on board to make things look good. And for us, we believe in the qualities of all the individuals our technical team, no so any quality any contribution will be provided to the team. Masudi the money technical touch, local and international. The George Boateng or international touch, Otoado or technical and local, Kaka or the Weber, and Chris Hilton or international. He also has some clouds. Also, Edinidi Ebetao Mochi. Now I done it and now I church from Makwani there. I think that it's a very strong team that has been assembled. Mijidi is with the right attitude and mentality and approach to work. To me any results na ehwehwe
ukasa krisu tinya na ja ofre yeba packet na for say osa frɛ vice adwuma bonya nkɔpɛ sɛ na be dia wan hada nyi puduo bia ja telephone so na ja kakra na waboa.
Oh no, I don't think say I was say yedishe tribusa. The fact is ubi be approach the appointing authority said the need adwuma bi one does not mean say or say the technical competence and then the quality I think that yes, he sees himself as a Ghanaian, he sees himself as Ubia or also ewo nim de a between their boy of football, but it doesn't mean say was a seven nim a form. At this moment, yes, he will offer the service to the team, but and yeah, there I was a nim a form na ubu any media I fata say the man no ye better to na sekra.
Bra boafu bi na ja entiasana ya den technical director, technical advisor ya papa lepe ene fancy Chrisutin die no emu nchebu kakra pa ni say
Chrisutin is only associated with the Black Stars. Clear in Gaza or Bibia aside an association for the 2 matches at the moment. Bernard Lepet, a technical director of the Ghana Football Association. Now, in technical directorate, Ejumano Sebi, a national team. Again, he is responsible for the development of policies for our football. Grassroots football, juvenile football, youth development, coaching philosophy, coaching convention, training of coaches, certification of coaches, training of referees, organizing refresher courses, licensing of coaches from license A, license B, license C, getting a curriculum for the training of coaches. And here I say all our license A holders on my own refresher course, all license B on my own refresher course. You organize license D for coaches across the whole country. I hear Central, I hear Volta, I hear BA, I hear Northern, I hear Upper East, I hear Upper West, I hear Eastern, Greater Accra, Friday, 4th batch, Echo, Central Region, and second batch, third batch, so Echo. This is the core mandate of the technical director. The technical director, Nejuma Pim, under 20 level, because he is in charge of youth and grassroots development when it comes to coaching. Policy formulation, training of referees, licensing, certification of coaches, and so organizing refresher courses for our coaches. It was Bernard Lepet, the class route Muller, free Germany, about training all our national team coaches somewhere last year. We another training for all our Premier League coaches somewhere last year. It all falls under the technical directorate, analyzing the game, getting video analysts, getting youth development officers, and FIFA. Asante creating another portfolio within the technical directorate. And oba or knowledge, and as a one in the also the women's desk within the technical directorate. Not also formulating policies for women's football development. Indeed, the technical director job is not limited to one team or two teams. In fact, the technical director job does not even come anywhere close to the senior national team. Senior national team is purely for results. Olympic team is purely for results. But the technical director job is purely for development and talent identification. It was Bernard Lepet and I identify Daniel Chere. I Ghana for be so. Ntini huja Daniel Kofi Trading Okaya no about Daniel Kofi Chedi. In fact, since he came, we have given lots of players an opportunity. Players are more Akwenya no say ombisi akan e de amagana. Yama be bring opportunity. And ye ojiku sabe ya won fans. But because somebody identified him through the technical directorate, today he's one of our best defenders in the team. Same for Kofi Chire. And one Yadekofa Tariq Fosu or Brentford and so by, but because he's having issues. No, we both players. Morocco is one of them. He's also a talent that was identified. Technical team no issue no. And say OBB and I namzwa omude invite you know. I didn't buy. The technical director, you know, brought Black Stars hasn't come in at all. At all.
Nasa ya uka kwa die nasa Ghana for enye ehunu adwuma le pay na obo adwuma behind the scenes papa
she Ike adwuma na lepet no ehun sunsanso unhunu ani so ehun sunsanso long term you can say benefit to the industry inti say ye ne ya enkofo eto nyampia sebi kan anim kika nsemfa no hono a it is because adwuma na no more of development more of policy. Obia or in charge of policy be a sabi unnim na one share adwuma no or ye ni ya overflow say onye adwuma bia in over 5 years na ye coaching course e wo kroma over 5 years and 103 license A certificate holders 113 license B certificate holders omo nyina ye refresher course and your coaching can say course curriculum by ye technical director any professor Minta na e de omutibu mu a omutro de come CAF approve ya ni yetumi di training ye coaches e okroma the same technical directorate any referees courses ni ade omu ye through the technical directorate and the referees manager omutumi organize any we have a U17 Champions League KGL abeso ya sinema 5 million for 5 years last year start year and also so yedeko it's part of the long term plan under 17 Champions League yenya the champions from all the regions ebankai ABC akano 17 of those players have been selected into the Black Starlets.
Oh, okay, that is wonderful. That is wonderful.
The players who played in that tournament have been selected by Pakwesi omo Black Starlets say ya me no ka say you understand inti adwuma na the benefits ni a long term and yet and
you be who
the youth, the grooming, the policies, the training, the refresher courses, and then through the technical directorate, we've been able to come up with a coaching conventional only license A doing coaching in the Premier League. Only license B doing coaching Division 1. What I say, only license D doing coaching at the juvenile level or grassroots level. And can you know, Obia Kosabasa, Obia Soria, or so a coach without licensing, no Omuni Musa, but a policy of the association. No license A, no Premier League. Your deputy must be, or your assistant coach must be a license B holder. Your goalkeeper's trainer must be at least license C holder. Same for Division 1. Same for juvenile football. RFs near the Nina. Inti a policy and all rule out. And no man all she now a no man all she neoma. Obiti China on Nimlia Oye no on Tiasia. Obefu say, Winyashi. And through the technical directorate, we are working on securing partnership with some foreign clubs. Your coaches no be to me a call crapo, a attachment at the end of every year. So a lot is happening under the technical directorate.
Brother, listen, your video analysis and your
video analysis, you know, technical directorate.
Don't save that.
Yeah, I'm fully employed by the FIA, Jumama. A technical director.
And to know, is it a likelihood you say somebody Nigeria what did they say about qualifying and penifoni so or Jumaya you better like I say or substantive and a permanent coaches for the Blasters.
At the moment, your focus is Nigeria match now.
Okay.
In Nigeria match now, which of course we know say you didn't qualify now. you have a lot of time in front of us.
Yeah,
November, you have a World Cup. Coping June, you have AFCON qualifiers. You have a lot of time. A dying. I'm penning for if you sing Konya. No matter saying a pin ubium.
Because you can't see Henry Asante Twum bedin come Mr. Hart. Some questions are never no. As a man forward, we Mr. Chris Utino. You're born a journey, we are more pushed by a head coach until you call a job in Amsimunya, but Minyame Bram Yankasankas Busano.
Oh, the American say, Nipanoa, Obedia Twum say, Obey Jumanona, and here. You understand? There was a whole lot of misinformation out there. Yes, I buy the nation, Mokonsa Monfano, I buy essay, but a coba say, Esco no communicating man say, oh, position I hear the Yafani. Now, you feel say anyone we are there saying your corner a year. Intino, yes, share Nimu say, obey we are my opportunity. It took some hours for him to think about it and get back to us. But Senia, the fact that Wadia Twum say I will stay in that position and provide that service to the team alone is satisfactory. Say about Nigeria and we will be in a better position to look at all the factors and put all the considerations in it, and then will be also consider Bia Ubewo Bebreo when him the best planet Sanya Manyamano, short term, mid term, long term. And no now be so ama Escono they take the next decision.
Will he come down and answer technological word or who will be a quickly email, quickly say and about down, not in penny for Nayajumabum?
Well, this is Aminoka say only Otoado Ashasi 18 Como Dada Free Ems and Ra Omashasi 18 Como Dada Oto Beko England Akosra and Manti Nibi Intino or Planise or Qua a Brebemwa only between Como. Now we're discussing a few things. Inti some commodity Nisa and Comotuchiano and everybody a clearer picture as to what to do. But from what we have discussed with him, he will be here present and he will give the necessary advice and direction and guidance to the team.
Bra we out of your time schedule when you da jene as FMT for edin komo Asante mantema ye bada say na ese milo ya property krakra bibia ni ho ya mpesa later and FIFA then the bibia de di
say take decision say I'm body nasi too no your friend no born and of course onu so nim say adwuma no de ye fa won me when you sesre fe but atina nkuya ya probably say ya born nasi too nti ya catch no ya bona mane sesia no e was say any ministry no din sa so na ye hu emre the severance package and I say the sika rebeja no kwan no very ready.
Wonderful.
Inti ekomodidi ekoso at the appropriate time no yebitua nka na fi etuo akotwere de etwere.
Bra batia magana for wonu sika ye de mamelo because they don't from $50,000 say na ye deja wo de eja yenya wa awie no ho wona go to magana for wonu de ma papa no
clauses in contract in determine sika wo de ma obi awa pamano again performance so eka ho
okay
enti enye say o sorry precope na wo calculate the salary oji now they are multiply 3 months and after 4 months. No, there are certain clauses are very adjuma enti the two parties need to discuss.
Okay,
what the two parties need to discuss so that obia betin ho ase obia tin ho ase a they are otua no nim say na metua they are all genuine nim say na meje na fe they are otua na tua ma de oje na asumdua ba sisi am no ka say there me ni figure e wo say yedema milo until say that discussion no e be koso ama entiase ayadwuma
ewe asha family yetie for yeda Nyankopon kan ho
na metiase nsume da sipa.
Okay, Henry Asante Twum ekasa